Like memory discrete, we have memory integer type of IOs also. So let's see how to do that. For that I'm going to get help from slider. Can you find the slider here? This wizard selection slider. So let's take a vertical slider and I'm going to keep it over here. So integer means obviously it will not having a two condition like a 0 and 1. It will be like a continuous value. So for that I'm going to change the slider. So whenever I'm going to change the slider from 0 to 100, I want a bar or a meter need to be run according to the value of the slider. So for that again go to wizard and take a meter over here. You can take the speedometer dial or panel meter or this thermometer. Let's take a thermometer now and keep it over here. This is the thermometer and this is the slider, right? So for this we need to create a memory integer type IO. Let's go with tag creation. So now you can see here the tag name is analog now. So for the switches and lamp and all it was a discrete. Now for slider it will be the analog. So I'm just going to give the name as T1, and if you want to change the label name you can change here. So let's take temperature, temp I'm giving. So fill color and text color if you want you can change. And this is a range. For example, see here it is 0 to 100. So that's what the slider is ranging from, range from 0 to 100. If you are changing the range it will be changing. And this is the division and the decimal point, decimal places. Okay. Just go for OK. And now this is a new tag, so we need to define it. Go for OK. And if you go for a type, it is taken this is memory real. Okay, it may be a memory integer or memory real. Memory integer means decimal point will not be included. Now memory integer means decimal point will not be included. Now it is a memory real. So it is a combination of your decimal point also. Even you can set 41.1 like that also you can set. You can go for memory real. Okay, just click OK, save it, close it. And I'm going to tag the same tag to this meter also. So this is a meter. I'm going to tag T1. So you can type or you just double click and choose from this place. Okay. Yeah. So let's tag it. So this also be the memory real, and we have already saved it. Just close it. And here also if you want to change the range you can, or else click OK. So now go for online. And now if you are changing here, you can see the same reading over here, right? So this is the analog type of virtual simulation. For discrete we can take help from switches and lamp, and for analog you can take a slider and meter, right? So according to your slider range, this meter range will also be changing. Let's change the range. Slide range I am going to change to 200, and this is going to be the 100 only. Okay, let's see what will happen. See, this is 40 and this is also seems 40, and just increase. We have reached 100 now, so it is almost reached, right? Even though if you increase it will not change because the reading is already reached, right? So it will not scale automatically according to the temperature. According to the temperature, the meter will not do the scaling. Okay, so if you want to do the scaling, we need to change the range of the meter. It will not do the scaling automatically. We need to do the scaling. Now see, it is 200, it is 200. Now if you reduce, it will reduce correspondingly. It will increase according to that. So like this we can do the analog simulation. Fine. And we can get this also. Just go with kind of panel meter or this one. Let's go for panel meter. I'll keep it here. Open. And here also you can increase the range. I'm making that to 200 and tag it with T1. Fine. Just go for OK. Now go online. Now it is 200, so it is reached 200. So if you reduce, it will reduce automatically. So according to the project design, you can choose whether you want a meter type design or kind of speedometer kind of, whatever you want, according to that you can choose. So same, we are having the speedometer dial and LED meter also. Let's take that and place it over here. Choose T1 now, and here also we need to increase the range, else it will be stopped with 100 alone. Go for OK. Runtime. Yes, now it is 40, so it is in this range. If you increase according to that, the LED meter also will get increase, right? So here and all we cannot see what exact value it is. See, here we can somehow read with the divisions. Here also we can read with the divisions. Here we are having divisions along with the number. So but here there is nothing, notification is nothing. If you want to have the notification, we need to put extra text over here to read the value. So let's see how to read the value externally. For example, we are having all the meters. So to read the value, take the text, keep it here with hash, right? So I'm just taking the text and putting a hash. Double click on that. When you double click, it will take you to the property page where you can find the value display. Here, value display, in that there is an option called analog. Click on that and choose your tag. So whatever tag we are choosing here, according to the runtime value, it will be showing. So I'm choosing T1 here. Click OK. So it is check-in. Now click OK also here. Go for runtime. Now can you see the value is 168. Value is 168. I'll make to 200. So it is 200. So like that, we can take an external text to display the value of the meter. So it is keep increasing. You can check here. That's it. So this is a way to use the analog IOs.